MATLAB is a popular software for numerical computing, data analysis, and visualization. To install MATLAB on your laptop, you need to follow these steps. 1. Go to the MATLAB website and create an account or sign in with your existing one. 2. Choose the MATLAB version that suits your needs and operating system. You can also select additional toolboxes or products that you want to use with MATLAB. 3. Download the installer file and save it to your laptop. The file size may vary depending on your choices. 4. Run the installer file and follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to enter your account credentials and accept the license agreement. 5. Choose the installation folder and the components that you want to install. You can also customize the installation options such as shortcuts, file associations, and updates. 6. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and laptop performance. 7. Activate MATLAB using your account credentials or a license file that you received from your institution or organization. 8. Launch MATLAB from the Start menu or desktop icon. You can also run MATLAB from the command line by typing MATLAB in a terminal window. 9. Enjoy using MATLAB for your projects and learning. You can access the documentation, tutorials, examples, and community resources from the MATLAB desktop or online. 10. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, you can contact the MATLAB support team or visit the MATLAB forums for help.